Vanakkam, Vandanam, Swagatam, and a good morning. Welcoming you all for the inaugural session of the National Seminar and CME on introducing yoga in the health professions curriculum.
In the true yogic spirit, the prayer is done sitting down. So let us sit with our spine aligned, the back, the neck, the head aligned. Bring your hands together in either the Namaskar Mudra or the Yoga Mudra with the fingers together. Closing the eyes, let us focus inward, letting the mind dwell inside us, focusing on our breath, being aware as we inhale and as we exhale. Letting the universal spirit, that spirit of wholesomeness, come in with each breath, and with each out breath, let our limited individuality be given up for the sake of universality. Breathing in and out, a calm, rhythmic, deep, conscious pattern of breathing. Bringing our hands together and chanting the Om 3 times together. Breathing in and breathing out. Om. Again, breathing in. Once more, breathing in. Gently rubbing your palms together, generating warmth, pranic poultice of energy. Placing the warm palms, cupping over the eyes gently. Letting this energy percolate into our nervous system through the eyes, energizing ourselves, and then blinking gently as you bring your hands back down to the thighs, and just getting ready for a wonderful day full of learning of this great art and science of yoga.
Yoga, an invaluable gift of ancient Indian tradition. It embodies unity of mind and body, thought and action, restraint and fulfillment, harmony between man and nature, and a holistic approach to health and well-being. It's a matter of great pride for every Indian that efforts of our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, along with the support of 177 countries, the United Nations declared June 21st as the International Day of Yoga. Shri Balaji, may I now have the pleasure of welcoming Thiru R. Munusamy, the Director of Tourism, Government of Puducherry. Shri Balaji Vidyapith University celebrated the event last year with multifaceted activities from 21st to 26th of June 2015. And this year, we are celebrating the second International Day of Yoga with numerous events ranging on from the 19th till today. On the 19th, a public awareness program and workshop on Silver Yoga was conducted in association with HelpAge India and Pondicherry Senior Citizen Association. A special interactive program was also conducted in the afternoon for elderly inmates of the hospice of St. Cluny in Pondicherry. On the 20th, Yogasana competition was conducted at our premises, Mahatma Gandhi Medical College, for the students of all the constituent colleges. The day-long event was conducted with the support of Pondicherry Yogasana Association. And today, the 21st of June, CITER team as well as the staff and students from SBV participated in the mass performance of Ayush Common Yoga Protocol at the Pondicherry Beach Promenade in coordination with the Department of Tourism, Government of Puducherry from 6 to 8 a.m. As per the guidelines issued by UGC and Ministry of Ayush, a prelude to this event, SBV Yoga Fest, was celebrated on the 25th and 26th of May 2016 to create awareness of yoga amongst the university student community. Essay competitions, yoga quiz, yoga poster competition, and yoga cultural event was conducted on those 2 days, and more than 250 medical, dental, and nursing students, as well as the faculty members and invited guests, very enthusiastically participated in the Yoga Fest celebrations. The latest guidelines of UGC, MCI, and other councils recommend introduction of yoga in the medical curriculum. Sri Balaji Vidyapith is one of the first to comply with these guidelines, and through CITER provides regular yoga training to medical, dental, nursing students of our constituent colleges. May I now request Professor Madan Mohan sir to please come and honor all of the dignitaries with a bouquet. We now honor our beloved AK sir, Ammaji, Professor Bijlani sir, Thirumunusamy, Professor M. Ravi Shankar sir, and Professor A.R. Srinivasan sir. So thank you, sir. May I now call upon Professor Madan Mohan ji to deliver the welcome address, please.
Today is a great day, summer solstice, Prakash of Guru Har Gobind Singh Ji Maharaj, and International Day of Yoga. Very good, pleasant atmosphere, climate, pleasant, and it is my pleasure to welcome you all on this auspicious day, auspicious occasion of inauguration of the CME program. And I welcome the dignitaries on the dais, off the dais, and all of you. At the outset, I would like to welcome our esteemed Dean Research, Allied Health Sciences and Acting VC, Professor Anand Krishnan. As many of you know, he is an eminent surgeon and educationist. He is our mentor of our yoga center and our guide always, and welcome you, sir. I welcome our Dean, Professor Ravi Shankar, eminent anesthetist, always helping us, making our all the activities very smooth. Welcome, sir. I welcome our registrar, Professor Srinivasan, whose presence itself is a source of inspiration and happiness. Welcome you, sir. I welcome the Director of Tourism, Sri Munusamy ji, and he has been busy with the whole International Yoga Day celebration of Government of Puducherry. Welcome, sir. It's a blessing for me to welcome Ammaji, mother of our dear and dynamic Ananda, eminent citizen of Puducherry, who is chief guest, and his presence itself inspires. Welcome, Ammaji. It's a very special pleasure, and for me personally, to welcome Professor Bijlani. Professor Bijlani is retired Professor of Physiology, Alden Institute, New Delhi, and now is residing in the Arvind Ashram, New Delhi. He is, I think, most respected physiologist of India, known world over also. A writer, a saint is a rishi. He writes a lot nowadays, and it's very pleasure he's here. Welcome, sir. I welcome our faculty. Some of them only, Dr. Madhan is there, others are on the way, and eminent, my distinguished colleagues from this great institute, and representatives from the management, Asha ji, Kanan ji, and our chairman, honorable chairman, is always helping us in all the activities. They support us in all activities. Welcome you. I welcome all the friends, my delegates here, and the program is for you. And you have seen the morning program just now. The how much yoga can be achieved. I say, where are the bones? Where is the anatomy? No anatomy. Only physiology is there. And this is how what yoga can achieve at the body level, physical level. At mental level, one can achieve still more. You have seen Dr. Kalam, Rishis, how much they have done. At spiritual level, you can achieve still more. And yoga has got all the aspects, physical, mental, and spiritual. And that much is the possibility of yoga. And as Minaji has said just now, what Narendra Modi ji said in the Unity General Assembly, what yoga is, what yoga can do. And it is the most precious gift of rishis of India to the world. And I feel if we work for it, yoga can be the future faith of the whole humanity all over the world. It is spreading already. Medical field, physical field, and also in the spiritual field. That is yoga. And the yoga festival has started, yoga day has started last year only, because it was proposed by Modi ji in September 2014, and it was adopted in the Union General Assembly with a record vote, probably 170, more than 170 out of 190, they adopted it. And last year we had the yoga day, and the 2 Guinness records were broken last year. 84 nationalities participating in the common yoga protocol at the same time. And lakhs, millions all over the world practiced yoga last year. This year we'll know what is the response. And Rajpath only, led by Modi ji, 26,000 people practice yoga. And that is the importance of yoga now. And the importance of yoga in our also. They said one of the institutes, I think the first university, not one of the universities, to incorporate yoga in the medical curriculum. And that is for that, I am grateful to our management and also our VC and the deans who helped us, guided us to do it. And as you see, yoga is union. Union, you see, in morning, Dr. Madhavan said, union within the body, mind and breath, movement, breathing and mind. Union with each other, all of us when we practice yoga together. Union is the whole nature, ultimate union is the divinity, with the divine consciousness. That's yoga. It is very versatile. It is holistic science, holistic philosophy. It is art, science, and this for you. And I hope that today's CME will be one more step in popularizing yoga among the medical professionals. Thank you very much.
Seminar and CME in our own traditional way by lighting the Kuttuvilakku. Let me take the pleasure of inviting our eminent dignitaries to light the lamp, please. We now proceed on to release the souvenir of this event. So, may I now request AK sir to do the honor, please. Release of the souvenir. A special way in which we are releasing the souvenir now.